So in Notion, let's say for example, you want to add in images, then what you can also do is add in something called image block. So to do that over here in the page, you can simply go ahead and press slash and then type in image. Once you do that, you can see that I can go ahead and select out an image. And now I have an option to go ahead and upload out an image file. So let me just go ahead and then click on upload right here. And then what I can simply do is choose an image of my choice right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and select the YouTube image and open. And there you go. There is this image block right here. Apart from this, you can also go ahead and type in image right here. And then once you go ahead and bring in this block, you can also add in an embed link as you want. So you can add in an image URL. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go to pixabay.com right here, let's say for example, and then over here I'm going to take this image, let's say for instance, copy the image address, and then I can simply go ahead and add in the image address right there, and the image will be embedded right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and let's say for example, go to, let's say for example, slash an image right here, and you can also import out image from Unsplash. And let's say for example, I'm going to say little girl right here, just like this, and then you can see the image right here that you can click, and then it'll be inserted right there. So it's loaded out. So let's just go around onto image one last time right here, and then you can also go around and search for Giphy right here and add in animated GIFs right here if you want as well. Just like this, you got different types of images as you can see right here. So that is how you can go ahead and then insert out an image block inside of Notion. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.